Hey, na sisi na Sammy Gyamfi wote.
Busiafo munim se gold adwuma in Ghana ade a de ne pa. Omo ye man no kire se omo bere pa.
Ghana benifo. Mesi yeto abane ma omo wi a no mo hunu sa afiri mo hunu nyansa a chen Ghana fo yi na na asembo amenti ase.
Na mo NDC for na mo adwene mo se 4 years na ye 1000 years anase den.
Sir, small scale miners na mo kemo. It man kan kire mo se Sammy Gyamfi kwaje world price market ya. Your pen no de bebrem. And I must say world price market for good. 13,000 or the mamu 8,000.
NDC for more into small scale mining, Ebu F power, especially Sammy Gyamfi, or my dry lie, almost Sammy Gyamfi, or more names in the 3 more ideas to the 7 way within say, and Comunia campaign from NDC, or when someone will say NDC about Conyaso Palma, or one casa NDC for all more position will say, Kala lie, a go my campaign, I'm a NDC, I'm a free fastener, I best will see Ibrahim Mahama, John Mahama, any Sammy Gyamfi so far as I go the Honsen, some our Ghana, a concern, I Penyah media, that's what I said. Obe like video no and remember subscribe to the channel can keep notification on update na ba chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section message so baso no shi video for so enya bi ahwe e je to be no say Mahama any NDC afọ me ade be friend gold board gold board no e serve as cocoa board me dey say Ghana ha cocoa ayedua no man mu nyina no omu na e to free akuafo no ho no mu da call world market akoton but in the cocoa board e che say o smagu cocoa every Ghana ha dia call other country akoton a ombe sizigo koko na funze mbe je funze mfuma bi ombe je ko peso bo man no kro no ombe je e desire one for me gold board gold board report and say e beto gold na free Ghana for now internal o me beto gold o ma kwan e ma individual bia e beto gold e gold board no e na beto gold ana o ma foreign bia ma Ghana ha beto gold there bi it o mu no kwa je price no every world market na o mu aba be jina so e dia beto gold no every small scale miners for no no. Say the cocoa board working no. Sa and a gold boss working. Now also him last year, not good price, not a was rokaka, not a was rokaka, not a was rokaka, not £1 of gold. It was nearing 14,000, not a can go 140 million. But gold board buy you. Sammy Gyamfi gold board buy you. Gold price, the same £1 at tia better 7,000 plus. At from 14,000 at tia better 7,000. And Sammy Gyamfi visit you say once will be the gold smuggle out ton a be yes with be yes with a ya ba chini bakro na wi a be ma wuska je say Ghana ha gold ni na no gold board na ebeto ebo so a omunto ni omu di gu small scale miners no adwuma ene no so mu ntia se o million NDC for na omu ewo into small scale mining no omu abemu na in fact omu abeke koma adwene pass we de ya na eto ba ma mbat de mo ne ye kon de enye etmu we ye.
Hey, na sisi na Sammy Gyamfi wote. Wo akwọtina radio stations, TV station na wo chire gold no. Ena gold na wo beto free miners no no. Aye dust, aye nuggets, nti no afina wo de ba ya be refane, ya be cast wo mu ni ade wo mu nyina afrim. Na wo ye gold adwuma da bai. Wo Sammy Gyamfi. Enu nti na wo wati gold no so aba 8 point something na wo kan. Monjune papa wo na munyi boni mfiri mutim ye nyina yentena wo man ni mu. What you say? Because ensem na wo kan aye bosirim ka. Nokure bia anim. Yani ye gold adwuma no. Ye koton gold na ma first illegal mine dealers na ye refine gold no. Yeni refine gold no even say £1 and out the call ya refine na also refine gold bet be dey no o refine £1 no kwa na say refine ni ya e bi kura tim be ka ho enti eni atrosem ho no mo wo ye gold adwuma da bai a obu o man no ma no kwase a wo ye kan wo say e na dey wo de borofo sem tete radio station so o man no yenya to abana mama wi NDC for o man na ye modia mo pa nka se mo obi ande galam se bi obi ani mu ni asemka mo obi antoga gold bi o mo obi ande galam se bi anu ntini ato abama mo de mo pesa mo ye bia mo betini aye but men dia tro nem bu ye kom world market asem na wo ka no each £1 that say Huh? Can it is almost 250 million. Now what to go 80 million? What person watch say? Huh? When you know mama who? Na yeye ni atu aban mama. Se woni mu a. Se na wa binya kotu ashaye kuntan nti a, yeye ni atu aban mama. Nti wonso ye bibia tno mama. Na wo ka ukodi godu nkomo a. Make sure say minus e ukodi godu nkomo a kire wo mu no. Omunim godu na dwuma kire wo. Eye dibile bi ne ye de ama wo. Na ma wanya ho keka nsem na wo keka no. Na minus bi ne wo onim godu adwuma kire no. Wunim ne ma wo godu. Ah, what's the radio station so be so je wo so ho no.
Ghana benifo mezi yeto abane ma wo wi a no mu hunu sa afiri ma hunu nyansa achen Ghana fo yi na na asem bo amenti ase en me hwe Sammy Gyamfi interview no ye no hwan mo papa wo ye wo di get gold free 12,000 aba 8,000 ye bu sa ho asem a wo fe no be ana gold no o mo di firi bushi ba ana ye nugget ana ye fi ana se ne na na de afe na wo be na obua wo ye obi a wo nka no kre gold yeah gold na turn one blade is sheshe nkuraas na turn one blade 2 blades 3 matches ye boa man do 1 pound 2 pound 3 pound and sana ye yakonane e de akoma buyers for no magic lands and so mom ye kese kakara no and sana mo nso atoto ade e de ablem mom gold board ho no gold me ba no man na ndada efi bi anim bi gold bi ene we be free say e de akodu gold board ho na ye nna ye because mo lance no ntimi mfa ma ye buyers na to 1 blade 2 blades 3 blades no mo buyers mo lance we ma buyers akese because me to interview kura o sniper no kura $5 million a on ntimi to good nipa ina na Ghana wo mpo Sammy Gyamfi na wo kan so wan ko politics maka $5 million ngo wan wo fieda ya wo peso bi kura $5 million sana we to good and this all this yeah it was I go to kitchen the at the back hona no mo na ni gold no ye mbo ye abenane wo ho no mo de ablemo enti mo gold me ba na o man na ndada and the mekan chung vuto Ghana for ni say ana gold na afi na eba na mo be na ana say mom gold board bi eni ho a ba e bi eni ho do gold be ba gold board ho a ye na ndada because mo no lance mo mo ngro kese mu no gold ye bias for na ye to no 1 blade 2 blades na man do 1 pound ye ri nka be na ne eje ye karat ye bibia ansa ana no wo ka say 8,000 bonye 8,000 no enye fixed price okura express okura gold say oko gold board e to ama na say okudu nkwa na say okube e to ama 8,000 no kwa gold a 1 and sana ya be karat na free and karat and 23 a sa 8,000 wunya if you bet ma say 8,000 do so bet ma ko ton gold ni ama 70 be 75 bet ma ya be 70 76 77 and then some Sammy Gyamfi kan entro bi na otwa mama ya to abanu ama mo me say NDC there in this wini ye me am John me to ska 5,000 go abonten free man ko for fa no ba na wo be so your consent be native so twa say na gold ne be ba no na ye fi na den ne na ga gisa wo na gold be ba gold board obi a me say o ma na ndada gold bia no be free aha akọ gold board ho a na mine na no gold yes on gold onya gold be say e bia ibu ho kwa na 5 pound kwa na open iska jiso okonane no jiska ne sande be ye adwuma and do gold bed be board be no betima tia gold adu ebin be 1 kilo kwa nsa na da gold board and do Sammy Gyamfi kan che me say gold e ba ho no ne o ye na ndada yo betum futu egu Ghana
abusiafo munim se gold adwuma in Ghana e ya ade a e de ne pa omo ye maane no kire se omo e bere pa me kan omo a omo akọje license a omo wo ho kwan se omo maane before I won sabekan license no I just wotu ya 7 billion and sana wonsa aka license na wonsa kan wie na se wo ye adwuma a police for be site on beta ata ho a soldier for be site on beta ata ho na traditional authorities for onso so aba site na omo ta ata ho trese concession a omo de ama no obetu asika ho na so still every month bia empayimfo eba site ekojisika trese wo ye business e o Ghana enye da ba kwesi wakọjo license a wo de ye adwuma no ombeta ata wo sa na watu gold awie a gold no so etesanka wotumi koton ma hoton no government say wa create gold board na gold board no senka mu to gold no e wo the right price and go bi an complain na so gold a mo to no trese mu sisi omo ye maane no internationally gold dey e gold into gold e wo the price e wo international market adenti na obi to gold anase wo ton gold ama obi e wo Ghana mon ton no international market na gold board asset price at let's say price no e wo fam pa say we share the current rate here gold board eto gold wa let's say omu sisi minus ankasa say no a pound no 8,000 something Ghana cedis so we compare nanke say omo ye man no e koton gold na anka omunya 40 something thousand plus Ghana cedis now so Ghana government ento ne sa 8,000 and a Ghana government eto that means he say 30 something plus the Ghana government urges esikano aden na yesisi nipa sa say me no bi ekasai na nipa no echichiremu echireme the Ghana government mo ye no ekmate say asem ko asom ene enkoaye na Ghana fo mpanyimfo mama Ghana fo eye especially more traditional people no a mo enkrofo begia asase a na maton asase no no mo to wi a every month bia nso na makoho na mo jejeje sika efiri wo mo ho traditional authorities no dwumadi a mu dia no kire say Ghana enye business friendly wo sika na pese ko ye business e Ghana sa mpanyimfo yi asojafo a policefo government officials any nkrofo bi a omode asase ma wo ebetetew ama o business agu say omo ye man no omo bere pa because gold omutu no omunya hwe Ghana government yesrew said ya wo ye won yama no wa ma miners no eboka miners no omo makoje license a omo eye small scale mania trese say omo boka no Ghana government no esese uhwe ni yie ente sa ebeka no amanfo ntu gold bio because gold no omutu no kan kwa no omo bo omo so wo workers you a omutu a workers ka na wo hwe said ya asojafo ne ya policefo any traditional authorities tata omo akere say ano odene every month bia omo ko site ekoji sika
na mo NDC for na mo adwenye mo say 4 years na ye 1000 years anase den Sammy Gyamfi on fanshim tum say 4 years na nya 1000 years nya 1000 years fanshim trim galamsi fu okro ya na obeme yeto aba ede mam o ma to san society a mo say omugu madwuma so ogu madwuma dia mugu party ni so aka ho ti mugu galamsi fu adwuma mugu party ni so aka ho pa market on the wall ti mugu galamsi fu adwuma party ni mugu na aka ho na good akọ 13,000 1 pound na mda akọ 82 81 de kro no eno no ukra mpona un so shabu muda ukra mpona skevita kono skevita kula bo unim land kula bo kura no wo so pemfa so achen do no ye adwuma do no galamsi adwuma unim skalo do unim ska wo tugu mlo man sana even kro banya fa so be just 5,000 unim ska do be tugu mlo man so nya fa so be 5,000 mo mo tingra wa ma shimu suit na mo tete say na galamsi ni bia we ska galamsi ni bia we say ska sin wo spend ya ansana obi say ska no kanya asema say ska na pampa ko spend kwa ko dugu wa nka so chen di ono de ya adwuma na wanya mfa so no so chen ya kana ko enje ma say de wo ye ni ya blue ya ble am ka tell mo say 4 years no Sammy Gyamfi 4 years no enye 10 years afuni etwa be 6 months 7 months ikutwa 1 year na ka 3 years ha be ba sisi a mi do nyame 4 years ne ndia o be mo bose la ye de enka we o don be bia monye se ne 8 years na ye de ya so ye no sa na 4 years we be so ti fanshi mutum ze 4 years we Sammy Gyamfi 4 years we enwa o de buye sa o de go do for de buye sa ampam de buye ye ni problem amam ga kire mo se 4 years we 8 year no kompa yesre good for no kompa yesre se ka se galamsi fu asin chen na yima munya galamsi fu asin chen a mo yesei mo yesei amotin krama ma yi musiutu mu na mo sheshe musiutu na mo sisi air condition na mo kuta pen na galamsi fu na yesei na galamsi fu yesei me kan opra chere mu pray si galamsi fu asin chen a wo mo yekitua bi Ghana galamsi fu no control ba bia galamsi fu no control ba bia ya kan ko na kire mu me kan ko na kire opa ha be bia fa ya me mfa ho nko ba okro no nko bi obi ade me ni watem ambasa me kan ko kire o Sammy Gyamfi se o tompo na wo su kuta pen ko wo su pen fa so chen do no es mo ski mine ukra unto diesel unto excavator unto cylinder unto outer product wo su pen fa so chen aso what be that asemi what be that Nunca faço aquele say to good. Sammy Gyamfi. Nunca faço aquele say to good. Vamos contar.
Você biakam. Adeya. Dia na kawi. Gonja Roberts. Say first na ya chema first. No mo koye no. Gonja Roberts aba. Omatiesi. Ofina mini hwe kan. General. One is from me. Ghana for. Almost men can Ibrahim Mama Akode. Okay, so you show video we. Danny? 3 months ago, and I make cast as same way. I make a salmon tea. Be a material can be answered no correct. Danny bo video now 3 months ago. The make a chair Ghana for so almost shared you maybe. If you go to home. I was ya. Most of me make a day. I didn't make a. What kind of so 3 months ago, Munti's video, Munti. They say Obi planning baby. Then come up here koso. Omodi brigana for this woman. And I make sure the entire a whole a year I see of Minerals Commission. Near to a berry, near Pomopomon. Now you see the Jan or Onion Pamono, and young one was a Sammy Gyamfi. Na Sammy Gyamfi communications and Jabba expert par excellence. At the party anymore for 8 years they are communicating. Yam for communications who we are and yes PMMC na kotna. Only the gold board over. Na Sammy who go gold board so. Our bra act no a buy a setting up Sammy Gyamfi PMMC no. Amani to me on the setting gold board. And then we are the back of Forestry Commission. Kobi. It now no me beka ya Ghana flag in yellow no, which is the gold. The beka wants them. So share no modi isi atra baby otino cause game be bekoso no mo we agree na we Ghana flag ni which is the forestry belt and we mo buy ye friend papa be Dr. Hughes Brown e ko for the year executive secretary forestry services our forestry commission omo buy ye omo elevating from a year executive secretary to see acting CE chief executive and it constitution no onimsa forestry commission Minerals Commission. And who hears so much say or share parliament get say or form a forestry commission or form a minerals commission. Na John Mahama aya DB. We nim the oba be enti. On form a constitute, on form a commission, you know. And was say acting. There is no commission. Or the acting CEO ba. It be force a forestry commission be the Jumano. SC board, governing board, consisting of these people. But we need the obey one for governing board name and so why acting a chief executive. So if you want to see how dangerous the plan is, in the next base 6 months to 8 months, see a Penyah forest entry permit here. Say I see the Bema a year concession. No my concession no a beko forest munyasa eso obi na ma forest entry permit na why na beboya me atimi execute no Hughes Brown betimi aboya na and the water na ho na dia ti ne yahihya sa adwuma yi I see the Minerals Commission Dr. Hughes Brown the Forestry Commission the work to gold war and the Obama entry permit to the forest e ye ho amoa the make what say and no near a year I see Dr. Hughes Brown a year. Obi now omoye we ni wi a na ye kwa ko pe gold no esi ade koma obi ni ye ko create a gold board no one da no omo de ba be hye Sammy Gyamfi ase eti no mo se Sammy Gyamfi na oversee the creation of the gold board omo de ba be hye na se first of all the kasa national aseya gold no a PMMC coffee and a per the act na establish PMMC no one more human so much the period and the asseya the kasa asseya export or more export gold no PMMC more export gold and then Sammy Gyamfi say or gold board in the the national asseya that means you be good PMMC no after Sammy Gyamfi say the gold board is going to be the sole buyer of gold in the whole country. The danger in what they are trying to do there, you guys are not seeing it. Imagine see a better person not the gold of this nation. Cocoa board. It is a one now to way. The entire cocoa for a here and it's a cocoa board or world price market here. Your pen or the milk. Okay, so possible eti ese no ayi we na mo kam no sa ayi small scale miners na mo kam eti man kan kyerɛ mo sɛ Sammy Gyamfi kɔgye world price market ya the open no de bebrem and mo say world price market for good 13,000 but the mamu 8,000 eti menya den dani kosobo no mo nti kosobo Mama no so about research no. Or no so about setting up gold board, which will behave like cocoa board. I want the better gold the Ghana it's now we a gold exporter. Who need to miss our cotton gold one. It is what cocoa J a world market price of gold bar. Your pen or the Bema war. I don't know you know. It's so dangerous. It's a bedroom baby who can cotton wow gold. No one told my banya. It is against the law. You bet you said you know cotton cocoa or Cote d'Ivoire chon. And yet here cocoa kuyafo. Danny possible. Danny Enyana govi general. Enyana Sammy Gyamfi akote task force so de bechiche mamfo. Oso wo gold wo dem wo bechiche. Me kan wait 3 months ago. Agosu amanka. Me kan 3 months ago. Afe Musa ntia Ibrahim Mahama de na me kan 3 months ago. Enkomo bi koso. Leakage ba ha. Me ka kire mu. Si ya hyehyɛ wie. Na afe mamfo ni di matem. Afe muntie baabi am kan Ibrahim Mahama asem. Muntie. And we see a gold in our better. No wonder say Ibrahim Mahama interested in our bauxite view. Okay. Eti mekanya sasamo govi. Mekanya sasam. Medi besiene na mekase. No wonder say Ibrahim Mahama interested in our bauxite view. If say na binim. Afi Musa Ibrahim Mahama de wakoje black voter go. A year bia na yebenya $5 billion a free one. Ese ko Ibrahim Mahama company botum ani yase wo mo Jeffrey boy hwan sam azuma mfa hwan fo sam anya no ne hia me manfo ne sika de chebe kan bi menka de bai sadia mo peno no Ibrahim moni bibi damai mines no so Ibrahim wi ageka ho wate mesrawa awaso Ibrahim awaso bauxite wi ageka ho wate je manfo no je ni nyina wo wi anyina hini de yan fa ma wo no ko bi se we no general ba ko ne de John Mahama e be fra ban mu no de ma no ana John Mahama ko da dweno no se da bi ma anya na ntem na be fra ban mu a we ya ne ansa fa ma ne we wo de man the beginning of na mamu so we won train ma be yes ya je friend nse eti we no the gold ni nyina ma no na Ibrahim wada ma ji go face de ne ka ho ji Newmont de ka ho sabanfo no agimi nti woji ana wochena no ama ayelegon for cement mienu ni aboye nsema ma hwia woji ana wochena no ayi wire eye doctor akola bia ni se yana de ko na manfo na bo mo sem hwia oyade kobi Ibrahim den Ibra shofe eno sa wo wia na manfo no wakotwi ne brother kakra na manfo no agi wa ahoro Brazil na wo kobi na nya Ibrahim ina the company J sika free merchant bank no ntia ma merchant bank gu ye be ye UMB enya Ibrahim company na man for refi na kanya asem ne yenka Ibrahim Mahama say sa company ni ade ne company na je o mato black voter ne be nyasa na e carry yourself $100 million from 2022 when yesika no amama mfo no time ye dey ato forcing ekoda board so wo ECOWAS a year e dey ben bank of investment ye dey call ya no nya $100 million na ye den na sabisa wo kopa busi o bank ya kobi Ibrahim Mahama Oscar and so $100 million loan no from 2022 no nsa on his own merit so say the brother be a president so say ato forcing be yi afa musi me meka de me ne hweka why me ne hweka Ibrahim ayi aluminium no jini nyina what
Ibra collect
Ibra obi anu atoka ba kwa cha Zuma Nelson wonya atocha Zuma Nelson no general wonya atocha Zuma Nelson manfo no be bo musam hwia na obeje $5 billion a year na oyi mu nketenkete chele gonfo acha obi ani acha ho ahonya na mani agye na madwene ti sei ni
Ibra collect
Ibrahim Mahama Oscar Oscar na Ibrahim Oscar no Oscar 300 million or so loan or kwaje the company kwaje ni Universal Merchant Bank. Then I didn't see. Me ya na domi market for so say a businessman be no in botumska. It kwaje loan. Na loan no ka ba kwaje a. Ye hwa investment. Ni ahwa wo sika wo. Ni ade bia to so ma say ni loan. Na Ibrahim Mahama wo sika ye so more than 700 million in asset. No open loan $100 million. Then you said the brother Baba and son and said to me, Chauffeur.
Drag your mommy, our comment section. I put up the